let's say instead of going to previous version, I want to go to some specific version because in Kubernetes, I told it to store the default configuration. It's to like it can keep 10 deployment history. I want to go to a specific history. Let's see, how do I do that? So kubectl rollout history history, the deploy nginx deployment. It is going to print me all the history of the deployment. So let's say I have 4 different histories, but the change cost was empty. I really don't know what happened on that particular change, right? So let's see a command to see what really happened on the particular deployment. So the command will be kubectl rollout history deployment -revision revision equal to 2. Let's see. So in the 2, I was using 1.20.1. Okay. If you want to get detailed information about the particular revision, you can use this command. So I have 2356. Let me check that. 2356. Okay. Using 4 images across Nginx latest 1.20.0, 1.19.9 and 1.20.1. Okay. So that's why I have 4 unique history, and note these numbers 2356. I'm just going to tell you how it is going to remove the duplicates and the number is getting changed. Okay. 2356. Keep that in mind. Update the change cost. Okay. What is the option I need to give? Because currently, if I just run the rollout history, the change cost is empty. If I want to update the change cost, let's do it. So the option is kubectl -record deploy.nginx deployment set image ginx pod equal to the current version is nginx. Let me go to the nginx 1.20.0. Okay. So once you run this, and if I refresh my page, it should be showing 1.20.0. Yes. And if I print the history now, you can see in the 7th revision, I'm able to see what happened. Okay. And also please note 5 is gone. It is 7 because in the 5 revision, I was using 1.20.0. So it automatically identified it is a duplicate of 5. For the new, it has given the number 7 and the 5 was removed from the list. So this I have shown in the UI also. So Kubernetes has the ability to remove the duplicates from the deployment. So it has identified the 7 is a duplicate of 5. So it has removed the 5 and the new number 7 is retained. Let me also do it for the another one. Like share the command. Yeah. For the 2, what was the image? 1.19.9. No. 1.20.1. Let me use the 1.20.1. Okay, 1.20.1. So now if I see the history, 2 will become 8. So now I have change cost for the two of them, 1.20.0 and 1.20.1. So this way I can provide the change costs. I can update the change costs by using the -- record option. So we were seeing an option to record the change cost while doing it in the command line. When I'm doing it in a YAML, what is the option I can use? Let's see. Let me take the first app.yaml. 20.1 is there. Okay, I will use the 19 dot something. So what I'm going to do is, under the metadata, I'm going to provide a annotation and Kubernetes.io /change change costs is, let me say, updated to 1.19. Yeah, let me first do it for 1.19. 1.19.9, and in the image also, let me change it to 1.19.9. So this is how I can provide the change cost in the YAML 1.19.9. Let me save this and let me apply this. So kubectl -f first-time.yaml, and if I see the history now, I can see, yeah, 3 was changed to 9 with this option. Let me change it to the latest image also, because that is the only history without any change cost. Let me just update it. File, save, and then let me run it again. If I see the history, all the 4 versions are having the change cost. So now I will be able to clearly identify which deployment version was using which image. So I can immediately take a decision and I'll be able to roll back to a specific version. That's what we are going to see next. So we have seen undo, which will take you to the previous version. Let's say I want to go to a specific version. So in this case, I want to go to the revision number 7.